Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making some custom sneakers, and this is pretty easy, only 2 steps. By the way, I will list everything that I'll be using down in the description box below, so you can just click on the link and it just take you to whatever website I use. So firstly, I got these sneakers from Amazon. They were $15, but when I went back to check it says $31, so guess the price is rising, but they're really comfortable and I love it. The stickers I got from the website, the Shoes Girls, and the little mini iron, I got it from Amazon. It was only $19. I think you can get it in the fabric store, but when I went to Joann's and Michael's, I could not find it. So I think the best guess is either Amazon or Walmart. So with this, all you need to do is, with the sticker, place it wherever you want to place it, wherever you want it to go. With a little mini iron, you're just going to keep on rubbing the iron back and forth over it, just like how you would be doing a iron on rhinestone or iron on anything. And you can just lift it up just to check if it's ready to be removed. If not, just keep on running the iron back over it again until you can take it off. And don't worry, like if you're taking it off, you realize, oh, it didn't really iron on, just put the iron back over it again, give it a few seconds, and then remove it. Please, please, please do not leave it on there long, because if you do, it will start to shift, it will start to move, it will start to fall off. You just need it on there for like 5 seconds, that's it. Maybe like 10 seconds. But don't leave it on there long. And if you see it start smoking, best believe it, you need to remove it. So do not leave it on there long, just like 5 minutes. And that's it. So I messed up and I realized that not all of it came off, so I just put back over the sheet over it and then just use my iron over it again, and boom, bam, wham, it came out perfectly. So next we're going to start off with the name Billie Eilish, and we're going to be doing the exact same thing over again. By the way, these stickers are $9, and also they're being sold on Etsy's for $9 as well. If you want to order from Etsy's, I'll make sure that I leave the link to the site, to the website, down below in the description. You know what I'm talking about. I'll just leave the link down there in case you don't want to order off the Shoes Girl, which they deliver really fast, so it's all up to you. Yep, that's basically it. Everything comes together, so you don't have to order it separately or anything like that. Sleepy. Oh, one more important thing that I did not know, simply because I did not read any instructions. I just removed the little mini iron out of the package and then just start iron stuff on. The whole metal thing gets heated up. You cannot put it on your sheets because it will burn all the way through. It's not like normal irons. That's not how it is. I have accidentally destroyed my blanket and my comforter because I thought that it wouldn't be heated up so hot. Do not do that. It comes with a little stand. Make sure that you put it on the stand. Otherwise, you will ruin anything that you leave it next to. I did not know that. I just started seeing smoke. I was like, oh my God, it burned through my blanket. Like, it heats up so fast and it's so hot. I guess it has to be hot if you're going to be using it, but I did not know that. And it was right there on the instructions. Like, it was right there on the little sticker, right next to the iron. I just did not read it. So we're just going to be redoing the same step onto the next pair of sneakers. I was trying to my best to match it up, but let's went with whatever, and it still turned out perfectly. So I am more than happy. So yeah, this is basically the whole video. It is only like 2 steps. You need a mini iron, some stickers for your sneakers, and that's it. Pretty simple. So in the end, I realized that I had 2 more stickers left that looked like a person. So I decided to just put one at the front of each pair of shoes just to add a little flavor. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I used up all of the stickers that I got. So, yep. Pretty good idea. I loved how it turned out. It's so cute. And this is a close-up of how the sneakers came out, or the stickers came out on all of the sneakers. I absolutely love it. This is definitely like a 10 out of 10. I love Billie Eilish, so I would definitely be wearing these everywhere I go. I hope that you guys like this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!